Within the first couple of years of life, a baby transforms from a newborn to a walking, talking toddler. Even when things are going well, frequent checkups during this time are important.
Childhood is a time of rapid growth and development. So obviously, there are going to be many well visits from birth to 2 years of age, and then typically to 21 years of age, there's one well visit per year. And of course, in between, there's going to be your sick visits where your child may have an earache or a tummy ache or an upper respiratory infection. And of course, you would call your primary care provider, and there can be a visit in between those.
In addition to thorough physical exams, parents have the opportunity to mention concerns they want the doctor to check out.
At each well visit, we do a comprehensive physical examination from head to toe, and at that time, we measure your child's weight, length, or height, depending on the child's age. And we plot that on a growth chart, and what we do is we monitor the trends to make sure the child's in the appropriate percentile for that age for height, weight, head circumference if the child's under 2 years of age. We also have other screening tools that we use to monitor those developmental milestones. And what I mean by that is your child rolling over when they're supposed to, sitting up, those first words. And so what we do is we closely monitor those things to make sure they are on that appropriate continuum for development.
Childhood vaccines protect children from a variety of serious or potentially fatal diseases.
Also, at these well visits, your pediatrician or your primary care provider will talk to you about the regularly scheduled childhood vaccines, and they will keep you informed at which visits to get which vaccines. And of course, we keep a record of that also to make sure your child is immunized.
For more information on well baby exams or to schedule an appointment, call 487-1477. Francis Yeager, ABC 31 News, Medical Minute.
The Medical Minute is brought to you in part by CHRISTUS St. Francis Cabrini Hospital.